Receive personalized messages from your security system with push notifications. Let's enable some push notifications. From the menu, select Settings. Select Push Notifications. General push notifications are common events with your system. Toggle the events to receive a push notification anytime these events occur. Then tap Save. Action push notifications are events directly tied to any custom actions created in the system. Toggle the custom action to receive a push notification anytime the action is enforced. Select Save. Video actions are events tied to any existing cameras. Toggle the video action to receive a push notification anytime the camera detects an enabled analytic, or if the camera goes offline or online. Select Save. If you have any questions on Virtual Keypad, access the help file located on the side menu under Help, or tap our logo at the top of the menu to contact us directly.